Hi, today I'm going to introduce you to WordPress. If you are looking to build a website, blog, or online store, WordPress is a name you'll hear a lot. Let's explore what WordPress is, its importance in the web world, and why it might be the right choice for you. So, what exactly is WordPress? WordPress is a powerful content management system, our CMS, that allows you to create, manage, and modify your website without needing to know how to code. Why is WordPress so important? Well, it powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. That's right, nearly half of the websites you visit are built using WordPress. It's used by everyone from small personal bloggers to large corporations like the New York Times, Sony, even the White House. Here are some key benefits of using WordPress. User-friendly, is designed to be easy for beginners, yet powerful for developers. Highly customizable. Thousands of themes and plugins lets you customize your site, look, and functionality. SEO friendly. Optimized for search engine right out of the box. Large community. A vast community of users and developers for support. Scalable. Suitable for simple blogs to complex website and e-commerce stores. One of the most powerful aspects of WordPress is its community and ecosystem. There are thousands of developers creating themes and plugins to extend the functionality of WordPress. Plus, there are numerous forums, blog, and conferences dedicated to WordPress, making it easy to find help and resources. WordPress can be used to build partially any type of website, including blogs and personal websites, business and corporate site, e-commerce store with plugin like WooCommerce, Portfolio, for artists, photographers, and businesses, forums and social networks, membership sites, educational website, and LMS, learning management systems, Memecoin. There are some common misconceptions about WordPress. Some people think it's only for blogging, but it's much more than that. Others worry our security, but with regular updates and proper management, WordPress can be very secure. And while it's free for use, you'll need to invest in hosting, themes, and plugin for advanced features. Getting started with WordPress is easy. Choose a hosting provider like Bluehost or SiteGround, register a domain name, and install WordPress with just a few clicks. Once installed, you can start customizing your site using themes and plugins. That's a comprehensive introduction to WordPress. We have covered what is WordPress, its importance, benefits, community, and more. In future video, we'll dive deeper into how to use WordPress, customize your site, and much more. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumb and subscribe to our website design and for more tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.